Start Apeksha. Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children. Now you
Good
are all
afternoon, ma'am.
off your speaker, children. Now Apeksha will say the prayer. Okay? Apeksha, you can start.
I request all the parents, please mute the mic.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, children. You mute the mic. Yeah, Apeksha, start.
Din na class na yan. Antinilo. This is not clear.
All the parents kindly mute their.
Ma'am, your mic is mute, ma'am. Yeah. Apeksha, we can't hear you. It's not audible. Come, little friend.
Thank you, Apeksha. We are our true leader who showed motherly love and fatherly confidence. Now, I would like to request our respected principal ma'am, Mrs. Asha Rajput, to welcome the guests of today's function.
With humble pranam to Goddess Saraswati, I am taking the blessing of late Suresh Angiji. I take the opportunity to welcome Srimati Mangal Angiji, Honorable Member of Parliament Belgavi and Chairman of Suresh Angdi Education Foundation. It's my proud privilege to welcome today's chief guest, Shri Vinayak Subedar. His two kids are studying in our school. Son Sarvesh Subedar, he is studying in grade 3rd A, and daughter Sanvi Subedar, she is studying in 1st C. We are proud of you, sir. We welcome you. I also welcome a dynamic personality, Srimati Dr. Spurti Angdi Patil, Director of Suresh Angdi Education Foundation and President of today's function. We welcome you, ma'am. Thank you for your continuous support, madam. I also welcome Shraddha Angdi Shettar, Director of Suresh Angdi Education Foundation. I welcome Dr. Rahul Patil sir, welcome you sir. I welcome Sri Raju Joshi sir, Administrator of Suresh Audi Education Foundation. I welcome all proud parents, teachers and my dear students. खुशियों से भरा लम्हा होता है, जिंदगी में सुनहरा हलचल होता है, मिलती है कामयाबी उनको जिनके सिर पर पिता का हाथ होता है, जिनके सिर पर पिता का हाथ होता है. God took the strength of a mountain, the majesty of a tree, the warmth of a summer sun, the calm of a quiet sea, the generous soul of nature, the comforting arm of night, the wisdom of the ages, the power of the eagle's flight, the joy of a morning sea, spring, the faith of a mustard seed, the patience of eternity, the depth of family need. Then God combined these qualities when there was nothing more to add. He knew his masterpiece was complete, and so he called it Dad. This is the day to celebrate and honor Father. My message to all parents is: spend quality time with your children. You are a best friend to a child. You are a wonderful counselor to a child, and you are a role model to your child. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, let's
Thank you, ma'am.
UKG A. Present what for the day. Hello, I am Dibija Patil, studying in Amrit International School, UKG A. I thought for the day a heartful of gratitude and thanks to you for all that you are, for all that you do. Thank you very much, teacher and my friend. Happy Father's Day. Thank you. So why not start reserving that? Next, I would like to provide service of a little girl from nursery to give a message to dad.
Yes, Sabi.
Happy son of Ram, son of King. My father is my greatest friend. He loves me so much. I don't want to thank you.
Good.
Thank you, Savi, for making a wonderful word. I would like to call Miss Vidya Hode ma'am to introduce today.
Pleased to introduce our today's chief guest, Mr. Vinayak Subedar. I welcome you, sir. Sir has completed his schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya, graduation in commerce from Lingraj College. He worked as a manager in interview audit at Satish Mehta Bank Company. He also worked as a manager in finance and accounts at Ratna Cement Limited, Yardwa, and presently working as an assistant general manager at Quality Animal Feeds Private Limited, Machi. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would like to invite our respected chief guest, Mr. Vinayak Subedar, to express his views.
Thank you, Sarvesh. And thank you, Vidya Madam, for the introduction. It has been a pleasure to be here with you all. And good afternoon, everyone. Respected Member of Parliament, Srimati Mangala Aunty ma'am, respected Dr. Spurti ma'am, respected Srimati Shraddha ma'am, respected Shri Raju sir, respected principal ma'am, respected teachers and staff, dear parents and all the lovely kids. It is my pleasure to be with you all at this event. I thank Principal Madam and the school management for inviting me and giving me this opportunity. Today, we are here to celebrate Father's Day. This day is dedicated to appreciate the care and love that a father showers upon his children. Kids look up to their father for inspiration, and they always want to follow on the footsteps of the father. He is a person who stands by our side no matter what. He makes us feel strong and safe. He is our laughter in the joy. He is our support during sadness. He will always be with us whenever we need him. This is the love of Father. So kids, keep loving your father and make him proud. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers. I am very grateful that Angadi International School is very active in celebrating all the important days. It helps our kids to understand its importance and its value. Thank you, Angadi School. Angadi School has come a very long way. It has gained a good reputation and is one of the top educational institutions. Whenever someone asks me which school is good for kids, I always say, my friends, it's Angadi School. Angadi School, because it's the school that only not concentrates on education and sports, it also gives equal importance to discipline and inculcating morals and values, which will help the students develop the qualities they need to excel in their life. That is Angadi School. There are many other things that I like about this school, but I would like to mention just one of them, which is the dedication of the management, principal madam, teachers, and the staff. They all are constantly working hard to develop our kids to become a successful and good person. Even in these difficult times, they are giving their 100% so that our kids' career is on the right path. I appreciate you all for your determination and passion. And I'm grateful for the positive motivation you bring to all the students each year. Thank you, teachers and staff. Both the kids are studying in this school, and I'm very satisfied with my the quality of education. I always feel this new generation of kids are very smart, active, and energetic. They just need right direction and advice, and they can achieve greater things, and Angadi School is providing that. Looking at all these kids, I remember my school days. Those were the most fun days of my life. So kids, enjoy your school days and have fun. Along with fun and enjoyment, I would like you all to remember and follow that what I'm going to say next. I want to all kids to dream big. By dream big, I mean optimize your goals. When you have big goals in life, they will push you to do more. So dare to dream big and do what and do not. Find your skills and prepare yourself for the next level because you fear the outcome. So kids, have courage and come out of your comfort zone and give 100% no matter what is the outcome. Dear kids, follow this advice and you will be successful in every step of your life. I wish all the dear students a very bright future. All the best. I would also like to take this opportunity to appreciate the contribution a lot. Mainly of mothers, they have to take care of all regular household works and also see that their kids attend online classes and also have to take the students' studies regularly to know how difficult. I know it's difficult to manage everything, but all you are managing it perfectly. Thank you all the parents for your efforts. And remember, every kid is unique in its own way. You will have to just support him to grow. By this, I conclude my speech and I pray to God for everyone's health and safety. Thank you everyone and have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Audience is the backbone of any function. I would like to request present here to express their views and opinions. Thank you, sir.
Anybody, parents, if you can speak.
Thank you, sir.
Any parents?
Thank you, sir.
You mute children, everybody off your mic. Any parents would like to speak? Any parents? Any language you can speak? Any language?
Thank you, sir.
Any language you can speak? Any parent? कोई भी अपने विचार प्रकट करना चाहते हैं तो आप प्रकट करिए।
Yes, ma'am.
कोई भी अपने विचार प्रकट करना चाहते हैं?
Can I ask, ma'am?
यस यस, आप बोल सकते हैं, मराठी, कन्नड़ा, हिंदी, एनी लैंग्वेज। एनी लैंग्वेज। यस, पार्टी।
Yes, ma'am.
यस, बोलिए सर, बोलिए। यस,
I'm very pleasure about today's function because I think in Belgaum, I think one of the best institution this is our international school. I think in this institution, all-round development of the students, the main achievement of this institution. So I'm very thankful to Asha Rajput ma'am because she is taking all the care as well as the all-round development of the student. So every time I visited that institution, so I found that the respect of the student and not only in their school, but all the children's, even my child, Swara as well, take all the care of not only their parents, but she taking care of my grandparents as well. Because my father is now, he is a BP patient. So when at the night time, when you forget about taking a tablet, but my daughter always at 9:30 or it may be 10:30, she asked for my grandparent, would you take your the tablet or not? This shows that everything is when we teach our student in school, maybe their teacher, maybe their principal, all that which best activities are taken, that should be implemented in our house. All these things we shows that one of the best institution, not only for education only, but it helps to improve the parents as well as grandparents in a house, which is very healthy environment in our house. So I thankful to Angadi institution, Mrs. Asha Rajput ma'am, and all their staff and all the persons who are there. Maybe there so many maushis are there. So she also taking lot of care. From that institution is one of the best institution from the Belgaum. So I am very thankful to all the institutions and all their staffs. Thanks a lot, ma'am, to invite me to speak here. So once again, thank you.
Thank you,
so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Anybody again would like to speak? अगर और कोई बात अपने विचार प्रकट करना चाहते हैं तो कर सकते हैं। कन्नड़ा, मराठी, any language you can speak. Anybody? Then we will proceed. Okay, Sarvesh, you carry on now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Sir, God has sent to us love in various forms, and one of them is our Father. Now, I would like to call upon my friend Swara Patil of grade the creator and everything can think of. This day is dedicated to giving appreciation of care and love that a father shows upon his children. I love my papa and he is my hero. On a concluding note, I would like to add that my father is one precious gem in my life. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Surya. I would like to call upon Samprita Walikar of grade second B. Good morning. माँ की कोमल ममता को तो सबने ही स्वीकारा है, पर पिता की परवरिश को कब किसने ललकारा है। सुप्रभात आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य, शिक्षकगण, अभिभावकगण एवं मेरे सहपाठी। मैं संप्रीता वालीकर आपके समक्ष इस विश्व दिवस पर आपके विचार व्यक्त करना चाहूंगी। माँ के बाद अगर कोई हमारे दिल के विपरीत होता है, वो है हमारे पिता। पिता का प्यार माँ की तरह दिखता ही है, लेकिन पिता ही है जो हमें अंदर से मजबूत बनाते हैं। दुनिया में अच्छे बुरे की तरह हमें पिता ही देते हैं। कहते हैं बेटियां अपने पिता के बहुत करीब होती है, पिता के लिए उसकी राजकुमारी होती है। बेटे भी अपने पिता को देखकर बड़े होते हैं। अपने पिता अपनी खुशी और अपने बच्चों के लिए मेहनत करते हैं। क्या सद्भावना की भावना उनके अंदर होती है। जिस तरह हम माँ के सम्मान देने के लिए मदर्स डे मनाते हैं, उसी तरह पिता के प्यार को सम्मान देने के लिए फादर्स डे मनाया जाता है। फादर्स डे हर साल जून के तीसरे रविवार को मनाया जाता है। पिता का हाथ जब तक हमारे मस्तक पर रहता है, तब तक हमें किसी भी बात की चिंता करने की आवश्यकता नहीं होती है। वे हमेशा दुखों को कुछ कहते हैं और हमें से
संप्रीता, हाँ यस मैम। माइक म्यूट हुआ है। हाँ जरूर किया मैम। स्टार्टिंग में ना प्रिंसिपल मैम आपका भी म्यूट हुआ है मैम। हाँ यार
Start बेटा।
संप्रीता, from there you continue. मेलन
मेहनत करते हैं। क्या सद्भावना की भावना उनके अंदर होती है। जिस तरह हम माँ के सम्मान देने के लिए मदर्स डे मनाते हैं, उसी तरह हम पिता के प्यार को सम्मान देने के लिए फादर्स डे मनाया जाता है। फादर्स डे हर साल जून के तीसरे रविवार को मनाया जाता है। पिता का हाथ जब तक हमारे मस्तक पर रहता है, तब तक हमें किसी भी बात की चिंता करने की आवश्यकता नहीं होती है। वे हमेशा दुखों को खुश कहते हैं, हमें सिर्फ खुशियाँ देते हैं। हम बड़े होने के बाद उनकी सेवा करनी चाहिए और एक अच्छे व्यक्ति के साथ साथ एक अच्छा पुत्र भी बनकर जाना चाहिए। अंत में मैं बस यही कहना चाहूंगी, और किस्मत के लिए कोई I would like to call Alpha man of grade third C. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಹರ್ಷವಿ ಮುತ್ನಾಳ್. ನಾನು 3ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಅಪ್ಪ, ನನ್ನಪ್ಪ, ನನ್ನ ಜನ್ಮದಾತ, ನನ್ನ ಉಸಿರು ನೀನು. ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳೆಸಿದವನು ನೀನು. ನನ್ನ ನಗುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆಲುವು ಕಂಡವನು ನೀನು. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಅಡಿಪಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದವಳು ನಾನು. ಸದಾ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯ ಚಿಗುರಿ ನೀನು. ಮುಂದೆ ಅಕ್ಷರೆಯ ತೋಟಗಳ ಬೆಳೆದ ಹೂ ನಾನು. ಆದರದ ಮಾತುಗಳಿಂದ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ತುಂಬಿದವನು ನೀನು. ಗೋವಿಂದ ಕಾರ್ಮೋಣಕ್ಕೆ ರಕ್ಷಾ ಕವಚವಾದೆ. ಆದರದ ಮಾತುಗಳಿಂದ ದಾರಿ ದೀಪವಾದೆ. ತಪ್ಪುಗಳನ್ನು ತಿದ್ದಿ ಗುರುವಾದೆ. ಸೋಲುಗಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕನಾದೆ. ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸಾಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ದೇವರು ಈ ವರವಿಗೆ ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಪ್ಪ, ನನ್ನಪ್ಪ, ತಂದೆಯ ದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಲವ್ ಯು ಅಪ್ಪ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Thank you, Arshad. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Purti Patil ma'am, Director SAEM, for presidential remark.
A very good afternoon to all the fathers, teachers, principal madam, Asha madam, and all the dear students. As said by all our various students from UKG till 3rd standard, fathers play a significant role in our lives. And today on this platform, we have come together to celebrate and appreciate the efforts and the struggle they put in to raise their children. So, and during this pandemic, as Vinayak sir said, the mothers are into multitasking work. The fathers too have come in and helped the mothers, be it academics or be it household works. I appreciate all the fathers for helping out the mothers in taking care of the child, because in this changing world, the parenting is very important. To your child's well-being. I appreciate all our students for the well-said thoughts on the Father's Day. And on behalf of our the International School Association of Education Foundation Management Chairman Mangal Ambi Madam, Director Shraddha, and we all wish you all a very happy Father's Day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
For your motivating words. We are thankful for your guidance and support. Last but not the least, I call my friend Sairaj Pujari from 3rd C to propose vote of thanks.
If you love a person, love must be shown. If you feel sorry for a person, sympathy must be shown. If you are grateful, then gratitude must be shown. Hence, today we are here to express our gratitude to all dear fathers for sharing their time with us. I deem it a great honor to express my gratitude towards SAEF Chairman Srimati Mangalambi Ma'am, Dr. Purti Patil, Director of SAEF, and Srimati Shraddha Settar, Director of
Sairaj, we cannot, it's not audible to us. Sairaj? Sairaj, just see your mic.
There might be some network issue.
Yeah, possibility, sir. Sairaj, just check. Okay?
I would like thank today's chief guest, Mr. Vinayak Subedar. And
Vishal Sawant sir, please mute your mic. Vishal Sawant sir. वीडियो भी ऑफ कीजिए सर.
But sometimes you off the video, sir, because we are getting some glitches here. Sairaj? Sairaj, last part, please. I think some net issue, Sandhya.
Yes ma'am.
Some net issue.
Yes.
Yes, no? Yeah.
Maybe.
Yes, even I feel it. Yeah. 1 minute, Sarvesh. We will declare the result. I congratulate all the parents for your wonderful support and actively all the parents have participated in quiz competition we conducted on 17th June. And here is the result.
ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Out of yes, anything
Nothing, ma'am. Just a
yeah.
minute, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Okay. Here is a result. 7 parents have scored 25 out of 25. On 17th June 2021, we had sent at 5 p.m. Google Sheet answer questionnaire to them, and within 20 minutes, these 7 parents have submitted scoring 25 out of 25. Abhijit Bhate, father of Ayush Bhate, studying in 3rd A, bagged the first place. Second place bagged by Uttam Patil, parent of Bhumika Patil, studying in 1st B. Third place bagged by Muzaffar Ali Sheikh, father of Numan Ali Sheikh, studying in 3rd C. Fourth place bagged by Basappa Puri, Atharva Puri's father. Father of Pratik Singh, studying in 3rd B. And 6th place bagged by Kallappa Patil. His child is studying Atharva Patil, studying in 3rd C. Hearty congratulations to all parents, and thank you for your support. Once again, happy Father's Day to all. Thank you so much. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mute your mic. Mute your mic, children. Mute your mic. Vidya, you can.
Thank you, ma'am.
Vidya.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Your mic is mute, Vidya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Son.
Okay.
One in the end. Principal, parents, and dear students who made this day memorable by scheduling their calendar and making it a possibility. I also extend my thanks to the technical team to involved in execution of the event. Lastly, I would like to say a few thanks in appreciation of all the fathers. The father's tears and fears are unseen. His love is unexpressed, but his care and protection remain as a pillar of strength, throughout our lives. With this line, I wish once again a happy Father's Day to all dear fathers. Parents, kindly note, we are sharing the link of the performance done by our